Today I have taken a little trip to the coast, and that's not the interesting part. The interesting part is how I actually got here, and I got my A2 license about a month ago or something like that, and I also got my A2 bike. So this is actually just gonna be a quick video showing you what kind of bike I got and what's it all about. So let's walk back to the bike and let's take a look. So without further ado, let me show you my new 1999 Suzuki GSF 600 Bandit. Well, yeah guys, this is my new bike and it's an amazing machine. That much I can tell you already, even though I have owned it for, well, about a month also. It is of course restricted to the A2 license, which means 48 horsepower, but let me tell you, that's plenty. We of course also have bar end mirrors, and they actually work pretty well. I didn't think they would, but I haven't had any problems as of so far. And also custom brake and clutch lever. LED blinkers, both in the front and in the back. And the most beautiful thing on the bike, besides the bike itself, the Leo Vents exhaust. And listen guys, you just have to take a listen to this. Now guys, before I turn her on, just let me tell you that the engine idle RPM is a little too high. That's something that I'm gonna get fixed as soon as I can. But let's start her up. And of course, that amazing sound came out of the 4-cylinder engine. And if you ask me personally, I think that an inline 4 is the best sounding engine in any bike. I don't know if it's because almost all sports bike they have that engine type, but it's just amazing. Amazing sound, amazing roar. As for now, this is all I've got for you. I need to fit my GoPro on my new helmet and stuff like that, so I can get back to vlogging like usual. But hopefully that won't take too long. But until then, stay tuned. I'm gonna be back with a great vlog. We have many interesting topics to talk about this machine. So I hope you'll stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next video.